So tonight is the third EWC Professionally Speaking event, and we're delighted to welcome three great guest speakers. So we have Sue Williams from Outdoor Learning Wales, we have Yola Williams, the naturalist TV presenter, and Kirsty Williams, the Cabinet Secretary for Education in Wales. And tonight we're talking about what a natural education means in 2018.
Education is vitally important, but education comes in lots of different ways, and of course one size doesn't fit all.
Being outdoors and active stimulates better learning for children. They actually learn better.
We need education, education, education.
It's really important, especially with young people, that we educate how important it is that we look after what's around them. Because only when they know what's there and they appreciate it, they value it, that they will then fight to look after it.